In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair motorcycle and vehicles in Once Human. So, what you want to do is firstly get a garage, and the way you do this is by opening up your inventory, going inside Memetics, click in Memetics yet again, and then in here, if we want to go over here to the, let me find it, there we go, to the building to the very right, you want to unlock this garage over here. Now this will be enough for a basic car. However, if you would like to repair, for a basic motorcycle, excuse me. However, if you want to repair cars and stuff like that, you will have to unlock four-wheelers and then medium and large garage. Now, you can then exit this screen, enter build mode by pressing B on your keyboard, right-clicking, so B and then right-click, and then in here, you want to go inside structures, or facilities, excuse me, and then under facilities, production processing, you can see your garage down here. Now you can simply click on this and place it somewhere where there's space. As you can see, it's quite big, so you have to be cautious about where you place it. Now once you've placed it down, I have it here in the back, what you want to do is walk up to its control panel over here, press F for management, and in here you can simply repair your vehicles. I have a motorcycle right now, as you can see, but it's the exactly same process for all the vehicles in the game. You want to click G, as you can see it says G, and if you want to see your vehicles, you want to press X. So as you can see, I have only a street motorcycle right now. However, I would be able to get a all-terrain or retro coupe vehicles, okay? Now, I'm going to click on street motorcycle over here, and then you want to click repair or press G on your keyboard. As you can see, it's going to tell you how much resources you will need to repair your motorcycle, and then you want to hold down your F key to confirm. And there we go. As you can see, the durability of my motorcycle has been successfully repaired, and the vehicle is now in full and great condition. So, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.